Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about video syndication with Video Seeder. Let's get started. Getting more traffic to your social media accounts is possible using video syndication. Your Facebook page can have more visitors as you connect your page to a video syndication platform that will drive viral traffic on autopilot to your blog sites, YouTube, and especially on Facebook. This will help you generate more video views on your video content. Video Seeder is a powerful video syndication software that will allow you to promote your video content into multiple social media accounts, add unlimited Facebook accounts, YouTube accounts, and other video sites that you have an account with. Open your Video Seeder app on your computer. You will see the home menu of your Video Seeder app. In this section, you will see a summary of the total campaigns that are uploaded and video queued in your campaigns. Below, you'll be able to see the menu options that you can also see on the left side menu. Since we haven't added an account yet, it won't allow us to upload videos. First, go to the Upload Accounts or click Yes to go to the Upload Accounts menu. In this section, you can add accounts from YouTube, Dailymotion, Vimeo, Facebook, or Dropbox. Let's add a Facebook account. It will show a pop-up window for authentication so you can log in to your chosen platform. Click this Continue button. Then choose the Facebook pages linked on your Facebook account that you want to use with Video Seeder. You can choose multiple pages here. Click Next. Leave these options enabled so that Video Seeder will work properly. Click Done. Now you have successfully linked Video Seeder to your Facebook pages. Click OK. You can see here the thumbnails of the Facebook pages that we have uploaded. Now let's add a YouTube account. Sign into your Gmail that is linked to your YouTube account and allow Video Seeder to access these. Now you will see our added YouTube account here. Next is to add a promotions account. Click the Add Account button. You'll see a list of platforms that you can add here. Let's add Facebook. It shows you another pop-up authentication window where you can log in to your Facebook account. Click Continue. Since we have added our Facebook pages under the menu Upload Accounts, it automatically added the same Facebook pages here. Now we can start adding videos. Click the Campaign menu, then Add New Campaign. Enter a name for our campaign, then click Save and Proceed. Our campaign is shown here. If you want to edit your campaign name, right-click above the Edit Campaign button. If you click on this thumbnail, you'll be able to see the dashboard for your campaign. Go to Upload Accounts. Click Add Upload Account, and you'll see a list of the accounts that we have added earlier. Select an account. Next, Add Promotions Account. Select an account here. Before we upload our videos, go to Settings first. You can see the checkbox is set to automatically add uploaded videos to the accounts under the promotion accounts. To avoid being flagged as spam, you must set the gap between video uploads and promotions posts. You can set the time to upload or post only between the time you're online or the time that your audiences are online. Now click Save. Click on the Uploaded Videos tab to upload our video. Then click the Add Video button. Upload the file from your drive. Then click Next. Add the video details here. Add a title, a description, and tags with a comma to separate them. You can even play your video here to see the preview. When you're done, click Save and Proceed. Next, go to the Queue section. There are 3 ways you can view it. Click on this section and you'll see the queued video. You can also view it using this left menu and also in this section. If you want to stop the posting of your video and promotions, you can click the pause button here. Click on Report and you will see a list of the videos that you have uploaded here with the details and the remarks if it is queued, has error, or successfully uploaded. To upload a video immediately, click the Upload Video. Select a video from your drive, put in the video details, and select the accounts where you want to add the video or remove an account. As you can see in the section below, it's starting to process our video. It's currently uploading the video right now, and once it's uploaded, you can see the notification here. Let's check our Facebook page to see if it's uploaded. As you can see here, the video has been uploaded. you can see that the video is published by Video Seeder. If you go to the Report tab, you'll be able to see the videos that you have uploaded, promoted, and the remarks if there's an error or if the upload was successful. The successful uploads will have a link here so that you can easily go to the platform where you uploaded the video.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.